offering comfort and convenience that's ample enough for the entire family. The 2019 Honda Odyssey validates the practicality that full-size minivans provide, both around the town and on long-haul excursions. Following a complete redesign last year, the Honda Odyssey carries over into 2019 with no significant changes to a 5-trim lineup that ranges from the Essentials 7-passenger LX to the top-of-the-line 8-passenger Elite. Up front, the Odyssey displays elegant styling paired with energy-saving technology. The signature Honda Flying Wing grille complements the sportiness of the front fascia that features an active shutter grille that helps save fuel while cruising. Touring and Elite trims come equipped with LED headlights. Inside, the Odyssey offers an impressive display of technology, comfort, and functionality. All trims except the base LX feature an 8-inch touchscreen display audio system, which incorporates Android Auto and Apple CarPlay functionality, as well as available cabin watch technology that uses a camera to allow the driver to keep an eye on rear seat occupants. A premium-level DVD rear entertainment system with 10.2-inch high-resolution display is offered in upper trims. Versatility and passenger convenience are optimized thanks to a reconfigurable second-row Magic Slide seat. The available Honda Vac in-vehicle vacuum cleaner adds another valuable measure of practicality. The Odyssey employs a 3.5-liter V6, sending 280 horsepower to the front wheels through either a 9-speed automatic transmission in the LX, EX, and EXL trims, or a 10-speed automatic in the Touring and Elite. Here are the estimates for fuel economy. Standard safety features on the Odyssey include Vehicle Stability Assist. EX and higher trims get a blind spot warning system, as well as the Honda Sensing suite of safety technologies, including collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The Odyssey is backed by a 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. A full-size minivan that's as sensible as it is sophisticated. The 2019 Honda Odyssey offers the convenience, safety, and versatility that busy modern families seek.